This is Paul with Paul's Car Garage Shop. And right here we got ourselves a 1998 Toyota Corolla. Today we're going to be replacing the oil, doing a couple fixes on this bad boy. Let me show you what we got in store for you today. Get close to me, Joey. Joey, you gotta get closer. You want to put these bad boys behind the back tires so the car doesn't roll backwards. We're going to take the jack. We're going to take the jack. You see this? We're going to crank this bad boy all day. All day. Right under the car, you want to put one of these bad boys down on the supports so that the car doesn't fall on you when you're working on the car. You get your oil pan, catch all the oil. You put that bad boy right down there on the bottom. What we got here, we got the oil pan bolt. We're gonna use this wrench here to remove the oil pan bolt. Give it over to my assistant here, Joey. You gotta have a strong man like Joey over here. Big muscles. Beautiful. You unloosen that bolt and it all falls out there. It leaks out. You take that bolt off.
A few moments later.
Oh, that's a lot of oil. You say, Joey, take this to the back and dump it. Alright, so you see this right here where all the oil came out? You get a fresh washer. Carol picked that up for us because I dropped it in the pan back there. We didn't want to fish it out.
Flashback. End of flashback.
So Carol got us a fresh in the washer. Now we just screw it in. Get a little hand tightening going on. You see that? And then you get your I know, Joe.
Doesn't look like you're doing it right.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking. You wipe it down. Get your garage nice and clean. You don't want a dirty workspace. That's the last thing you want. Open her up, Joey. Open her up. Look at that beauty. We got a 4-cylinder, beautiful looking engine right here, as you can see. What you do here, you take the oil cap off. Right there in the engine, you take that bad boy off. You dump some of that fresh oil back into that bad boy. So that you get your funnels out. You make sure it's nice and clean so no dirt gets in the engine. Joey, I told you a million times you do it this way. You do it this way, sir, for a smoother pour. Out of all the people, I think you should know that. Joey! Once you're done with that, putting all the oil in, figuring out you put this bad boy back on. You check the oil with this little bad boy. Close that bad boy. Beautiful. Take the baby for a spin. Okay. Look at this performance, beautifully smooth. Absolutely unreal experience. I'm not gonna say I probably shouldn't be filming and driving at the same time. Probably not the best of ideas. But you're not my mom, and you can't tell me what to do. So, just a real beautiful ride, a real beautiful car. 1998 Toyota Corolla. I'd recommend it to everyone. An absolute animal of a car. Really does its job good. Look at the speed. Look at her go. That's pedal to the metal right there. Beautiful. Thank you, Joe and Carol, for your assistance.
Any old time.
Much appreciated, Joey.
You're welcome.
You still have a lot to learn, but you did good, son.